milestones in my development, and the key factors that have contributed to my evolution over the years. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of machine learning model that uses a neural network architecture called a transformer to generate human-like text. The GPT family of models has become increasingly popular over the past few years, thanks to their impressive performance on a wide range of natural language processing tasks. The story of my evolution begins with the development of the transformer architecture by researchers at Google in 2017. The transformer is a type of neural network that uses self-attention mechanisms to process sequences of input data. Unlike traditional recurrent neural networks, which process input data one element at a time, transformers can process entire sequences in parallel, making them much faster and more efficient. One of the key advantages of the transformer architecture is its ability to handle variable-length input sequences, making it particularly well-suited for natural language processing tasks. To take advantage of this, researchers at OpenAI, an AI research organization co-founded by Elon Musk, began experimenting with using the transformer to generate text. In June 2018, OpenAI released the first version of their GPT model, called GPT-1. GPT-1 was trained on a large corpus of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. By analyzing this data, GPT-1 learned to generate text that was remarkably similar to human-written text. GPT-1 was not without its limitations, however. One of the biggest challenges with language models like GPT-1 is the issue of context. In order to generate coherent and meaningful text, the model needs to be able to understand the context in which the text is being generated. This includes not only the immediate context, but also the broader context. To address this challenge, OpenAI released an updated version of the model, called GPT-2, in February 2019. GPT-2 was trained on an even larger corpus of text data, and had a significantly larger number of parameters than GPT-1. This allowed GPT-2 to generate text that was even more human-like and contextually sensitive than its predecessor. However, the release of GPT-2 also raised concerns about the potential misuse of such powerful language models. In particular, there were concerns that the model could be used to generate fake news, propaganda, or other malicious content. As a result, OpenAI initially chose not to release the full version of GPT-2 to the public and instead released a smaller version of the model, along with a set of guidelines for responsible use. Despite these concerns, the release of GPT-2 marked a significant milestone in the development of natural language processing technology. The model demonstrated that it was possible to generate high-quality text that was virtually indistinguishable from human-written text. This opened up a wide range of possibilities for using language models like GPT-2 to automate tasks such as content generation, translation, and summarization. Building on the success of GPT-2, researchers at OpenAI continued to push the boundaries of natural language processing with the release of GPT-3 in June 2020. GPT-3 was the largest and most powerful language model to date, with a staggering 175 billion parameters. The release of GPT-3 sparked